Hello and welcome to another update video about Bloktopia. Bloktopia I did cover a couple of times recently again, and so far it's all going in line with expectations. I think we were just above this trend line here. I made my last video and I said that I would expect that we get into this target area down here. Now we are now in this target area. We found support exactly at this low here that I did highlight back then on the chart, which is or this support level, which is basically here support of that trading area there at around 3.7 cents, and this is where the price is holding now. So that's going in line with expectations. Why is that target area important? Well, I think we are pretty much clearly now seeing that on this chart we're doing an A, B, C correction, yeah, and that this wave C did come down below wave A. It also did come into the expected target area between the 0.887 fib level at 2.6 cents and the 0.786 fib level at 4.4 cents. So that's nothing unusual, and the price is now nearly there where it was when I started to talk about Bloktopia, pretty much at around 3.6, 3.7 cents. That was here, and after that we saw a massive shot to the moon, but that was overextended, you know, then came down, did move up quite a bit again. That was when everybody was getting too bullish again, probably looking back, including myself back then. But again, you never stop learning, right? And that was in the end an ABC, which is now unfolding and now revealing itself really in that wave C here, as it does for most other coins as well and most other cryptos. Unfortunately, a wave B is often very difficult to predict. It's often very difficult to see, and yeah, that's unfortunately where we are. But we could then identify here the target area for that wave C, and in this wave C area here the price has a good chance, I'm not saying it will, but it has a really good chance to come out of this mess again, because this is sitting now between those two key Fibonacci levels. I wouldn't be surprised though if the price in another major drop, for example if Bitcoin does another big drop, even gets to the lower, to the 0.887. The thing is, we haven't seen, and that's a bit of a problem, or you can call it a problem or not, but we haven't seen a major reaction to that fib level at 4.4 cents. There was no major reaction, indicating that the price didn't really care. It is a relevant one because you can see now it is acting as support. Here it was retested as support twice. But there was no strong reaction from the bulls to that price, indicating we could see the drop to 2.6 cents, unfortunately. But then here I would expect there would be a turnaround, and that could really take us to much higher prices. Then the next run to the upside can take us here, looking at the fibs, certainly to 28 cents, most conservatively. That would be a wave 3 in my view. We've seen the wave 1, ABC, now the wave, well, the ABC is the wave 2, and then the wave 3 to the upside would at least go to 28 cents, but more likely I think to 35 or even 46 cents. These are very realistic price targets for the next wave up. And then don't forget, you will still get your wave 4 and your wave 5. Overall, yeah, we knew that Bloktopia was risky, is risky, but I think there is a lot of potential. It's a very interesting project, really good partners, very big on NFTs, and yeah, I think as soon as you get your another catalyst of another interesting partnership, maybe that could really get this to boost. But we're currently at a support level. We are slowing down the downtrend. You can clearly see that by just looking at the chart. You can see the initial momentum coming down, slowing down, counter reaction, slowing down again that downtrend, and then nearly bottoming out now, right? So there might be one more thingy, one more dip here to that lower support in that target area, but that might have been it then. And the general message is, in here the price has a good chance to turn around. Should we lose the current support, which is at around 37 cents, 3.7, yeah, if I said at any point 37, no, of course it was 3.7. And the next support line will be at 3.2. Then you've got one at 3 cents, and then you can go all the way down to 2.6. Overall, looking on the daily though, I would be quite certain that we can see a bullish divergence forming here now, because we can identify the slowing down of the downtrend. And yeah, you can see that I think the price is making lower lows or flattening out, and you can see on the RSI, the daily, you can see how we're making a higher low on the daily RSI. Not a massive one, but a potential beginning of a bullish divergence. Nothing too major though, but it might form one because the price downtrend is slowing down. All right, that is my view on Bloktopia at the moment. I think it just needs a bit more patience. I think it's a great metaverse project. Can't wait to actually use it. They've got a lot of partners, some reputable exchanges and so on. They're actually buying land in there. So it is interesting, certainly, and something that I wouldn't want to miss in my personal metaverse portfolio. Again, of course, no financial advice. All right, hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.